After the remaining 18 SDP-40Fs were retired in 1984, they were sold off to the Santa Fe Railway for 25 CF7s and 18 SSB-1200s. The ATSF would rebuild the trading SDP-40Fs for freight use, reclassifying them as SDF-40-2s, resulting in their steam generators being removed and regearing them for slower speeds. 644 would get the same treatment, and she, along with 17 others, would be renumbered into the 52 series. 644 would be renumbered from 644 to 5266. She would start hauling freight trains in the states that Santa Fe served, like California, Arizona, Colorado, and 8 more states. In 1988, the Santa Fe would do the treatment to some of the problems with their modified SDP-40Fs, like locating the headlights onto the nose and later added notches on both sides of the nose. This once allowed crews to mount the units and enter through the nose. Like most Santa Fe locomotives, like the ST-45-2s for example, giving the 5266 the same treatment, it continued as normal until 1995. In 1995, the Santa Fe were merged with the Burlington Northern to create Burlington Northern Santa Fe, or BNSF for short. The SDF 40-2s would be renumbered once again into BNSF specifications into the 69 series, from 6960 to 6977. 644 would be renumbered from 6260 to 6976, but retirement would start in the late 90s, specifically 1999, after one of their sisters would be involved in a low-speed derailment, causing the frame to bend and significant body damage. The locomotives, including 6976, will be placed into storage at Kansas City, Missouri and Barstow, California, with 6976 being placed in Barstow along with the other old units. Looks like it's the end of the line for 6976.